See, slowly we'll start our basic things, sir. So the first one is what Python introduction. Python introduction. The next, after that, Python use uses. What is the usage of Python and where we can use. The next, in after usage, slowly we'll start the topic like variables topics, variables, data types, and data types. And next, basic functions, basic functions, Python basics functions. The next, we are going to focusing on operators, operators. The next, we can talk about the control statements, control statements. Next, we can go with Python functions, in concepts. These are the things we can see one by one. So the first one, sir. Okay. The first one is what introduction part. See, sir, why Python actually? And what is the Python? Just I'm giving the overview again. Here, Python is a general purpose programming language. Python is a general purpose programming language. General purpose means what? By using Python, we can develop any kind of software, like application software, system softwares, uh, uh, you know, uh, like web-based application, desktop application, and data science application, machine learning, all kind of softwares we are developing. So that Python is a general purpose programming language. And simply I given it is a general purpose programming language. The second point is Python developed by the person name is what? Guido. Okay, Guido van Rossum. He's the person, sir. Actually, he started journey 1986. Okay, 1986. Python development started in the year of 1986, but officially came into the market in 1991. Okay, in the year of 1991. Okay, the Python came into the market. Okay, the next one, simple this word. Then the use of Python, the use of Python. Simply here, when you think about the programming language, the programming language main purpose is developing software, developing application. Even Python also programming language, so that okay, the use of Python is what? Developing, yeah, developing softwares. Developing software, sir. In that, the first type of software is nothing but application softwares and system softwares. Okay, but here we can start here standalone applications. Standalone application. Simple thing. Okay, which application run in single PC? Which application run in single PC? And this application functionality accessing by single user. Such kind of softwares are standalone application. Best example, MS Paint, media players, antivirus. Okay, these are the best example. This kind of software is also developing with Python, standalone application. Some example I am giving here, MS Paint, MS Paint, and here I am going to show you. Suppose it is a calculator. So in your PC, I am going to using the Calc, the best example, sir. Okay, like this application also we are developing. Okay, this calculator application. It is a standalone application. And this application run in my PC only, not in other PC. Not in other PC. This kind of application developing in by using Python. Something Calc. Okay, Calc application. The second type of software is nothing but a web-based application. Web-based application. The best example is, okay, Facebook application, Facebook, Facebook, and Gmail and Amazon website, Amazon. Okay, these all are the best example for web-based application. And the third type is nothing but a like a database application, database applications, and a testing tool application, testing tools application. And the fourth one is nothing but a system software application. System software is very, very important, like compilers, compilers, compilers and interpreters, and any drivers, supported drivers, network drivers. These are all are applicable with our Python programming language. Guys, are you there? Need your response, please. Sir, are you
Yes, sir.
following me? Please need your response, sir.
Yes, we can hear you.
Thank you, Andy. Okay. So these are the all kind of softwares we are developing. That's why Python Python is a general purpose programming language. Okay, this is what already we saw some basic level. The next one, the next part, sir. And sir, what are the basic things? Simple thing. The first basic things is nothing but a what we call Python basics functions. Python basic functions. Python basic functions. Simple thing. The first type of function is nothing but a print. I'm coming one by one, sir. Print. Print is a function to display the output and the console. Simple thing. The print is a function is a used to display, okay, display output output on console, sir. Output on console is understood. And sir, where we can see the output. Now I am going to showing you. And tomorrow onwards, you guys also do the same thing, sir. I'll show you how to download and how to install. But simply already I installed the Python software. Just after installation, just type here Python. Click on Python. Here, one option will become IDLE. IDLE. Just click on IDLE. Our Python shell will be displayed here, sir. And to display the output, simply use a print function. Print, okay, double quote, hello Python. Hello Python. Just I given small string here. Hello Python. Once you give this one, automatically give the output like this. So what I am telling you, the first function in our Python is nothing but a output function. We given some data in output function, just directly it can display in our console. Sir, I want to do some addition operation. Then use sir print, and I given two number 10 plus 20, 20 I given. It will give the output is what 30. There's some things I want to do some multiplication 10 into 5 like this. So these are the output function. The first function to display output in console, to display output in console, then go with our output functions. First function. The next one, sir. The second function is what? Okay. Input function. Input function. So to display the output, then we are going with print. Sir, I want to sometime I'll give the some input to the program. Then go with input function. Simple thing. Okay, the input function. The input function is a used to takes input from the user. From the user, guys. Then how to use it? Suppose here I want to give the name. Name is equal to input of like this, enter your name. Like this, we can use it. This time it will ask the input, sir. Okay. It will ask enter your input at runtime. From keyboard, we are giving some data. Okay, enter your name. Here I given the name is what something. Okay, okay, Anuya. Like this I give. So after given input, just you can print the name. Name. It can display the Anuya. So by using input function, as a user, we can provide different inputs and we can display the different outputs. So it is also very, very important. In real time, we can use it. To providing input, we can use input function only. So I'll show you this example also. Now you will get more clarity. Suppose here name is equal to input of enter your name. So once you write like this, it will ask the input, sir, enter your name. The name is nothing but a Tony. After giving the name, sir, I want to print that name. Simply you can use it. Print the name, sir. Tony is printed. Like this, we are giving the input value to our program. So this is what input function. Input function. Very basic level, sir. When we start learning Python programming language, we need the basic knowledge first. This function, print input function. Okay. The next one, sir, type function. Type function, very, very important. Type function. Type. So the use of a type function is to know to knows data type of given variable values. Variable values. Very, very important function, this one. Okay, the type function is to knows data type of given variable values. The meaning is what? Sir, here very, very important point is what? Suppose if you go with other programming language can support static type variable declaration, but Python can support a dynamic type declaration. Sir, what is static and what is a dynamic? Simple, my friends. Suppose, okay, I am going with Java. To declare the, number type or integer type, there we are going to using, int is a keyword, int is a keyword. And here roll number is nothing but a variable name and is equal to something 120 I given, sir. Understand? This kind of declaration, what we call it is static type of declaration. So if you want to store 120 value, here 120 is nothing but a pure integer value, pure number. The pure number can represent in other programming language by using integer keyword. It is a predefined keyword. And here roll number is nothing but a data type. And with the int, we can easily understand, oh, this is what pure number. But in your Python, directly we are writing like this, sir. Roll number is equal to 120. 120. Manually, we know 120 is nothing but a pure number and roll number is nothing but a variable name. Variable name. But what I am telling you, okay, before this roll number, we are not specified. Is it int, float, or char? Right? This kind of declaration is called dynamic type of declaration. But here, what I'm telling you, manually we know, okay, because of, okay, this 120 is a number. Manually we know, but sir, I want to know programmatically, is this really integer number? In this situation, we are going with the type function, sir. Simple type of roll number. It can return back int class. So to know the data type of given variable name, then go with the type function. Very, very important, sir. Now I am coming here in application. Suppose here I am giving one variable. Suppose n1 is equal to 10 value I given, sir. Here 10 is a pure number, right? But if you want to know the data type of n1, type of n1 you can apply. Hit enter button. It is an integer type number. Suppose name is equal to. Now here I am going to using the name is what? Sonu. So in Python, string can declare within double quote and single quote with group of characters or sequence of characters. And manually we know this is what a string, but I want to know programmatically. Then type of name you can use here. Then hit enter button, sir. It is a string type. So if you want to know data type of given variable name, then go with what? Type function. Type function. So these are the functions. Suppose here I am going to using decimal value. Okay, suppose price is variable name and 99.99 I give. Manually we know it is a floating point value or double decimal value. Sir, I want to know programmatically. Then we use a type of price. You can use it here. Hit enter button, sir. It is a float data type. But if you go with other language, before the variable, we are using int, string, and float values. But here we are not going to using. Reason is what? Python is a dynamic typed programming language. Clear my point? Need your response up to here.
Yeah, it's clear.
So these are the very basic level things, sir. Okay. The next we'll start. I given the Python keywords, sir. Python keywords. Python keywords. Sir, Python having I'm coming from basic fundamental here. The first topic is what keywords. The next one identifiers. The next one variables. The next one data types. Then variables. One by one will go, sir. Then what is the Python keywords? So very basic fundamental. Simple thing. Keywords are reserved words. Keywords are reserved words. And these keywords given by Python programming language itself. And the main purpose of keywords are in your program to creating one statement. One keyword is nothing but a one Python programming language statement. Python having a minimum 32 keywords, 32 to 32 up to 35 keywords. These keywords are fixed. The keyword purpose or meaning not changed by the developer. These all are the predefined keywords. Predefined keywords, the keywords given by programming language itself. Then, sir, how to see the keywords? Simply, my friends. Okay, here I am going to showing you all the Python keywords. Okay, import. So these are the keywords, sir. Please understand. Okay, these are the keywords. Okay, these are the keywords. Please once read one by one, sir. I am going to reading in front of you. The first keyword is what? False, none, true, and as, asset, async, await, break, class, constant, continue, def, del, elif, else, except, finally, per, from, global, if, import, in, is, lambda, non-local, not, or, pass, raise, return, try, while, with, and else. So these are the keywords given by Python programming language. So these all are the reserved words, and tomorrow onwards, when we started learning our Python programming language, we are learning one concept means what? Okay, we are learning one concept means what? Indirectly, we are learning one keyword. These are the reserved keywords. And observe here, all the keywords names are in lowercase word. Observe here, sir. All the keywords names are in lowercase word. Lowercase word. Except three keywords, sir. Here false, none, and true. These three keywords starting with uppercase word. Uppercase word. Because of here false, none, true are values, not a keyword, sir. False is a boolean value. None is nothing but a empty value. True is a one more value, boolean value. Remaining all are the lowercase word. Remember this part. And tomorrow, while developing our application, this keyword names we are not going to using as any property names. Property name is what? While declaration of variable, while declaration of class, while declaration of packages, declaration of functions, declaration of methods. Okay, means what? Class name, variable name, method name, function name. Don't use as this keyword names. Keyword names. So these keywords are used to creating one statement in your program. Sir, clear up to here? Did your response, please? Lakshmi, please. Okay, Nitish, P, Padmaja. Guys, are you following me? Okay, thank you. Thank you, your response, sir. Okay, these are the keywords. These are very, very important, sir. The next part here, okay. And after this keyword, sir, now, okay, new thing. And everyone keep the heading, sir. Python, okay, Python identifiers. Identifiers. Very, very powerful concept. See, my friends, okay, before going to creating any Python statement, here we are going to using these are the keywords, right? Sir, as a developer, every time we are not going to using this predefined keywords. Sometime as a programmer, I want to use my own name, own identifier name. The meaning is what? While developing the program, while writing the code. Okay, as a programmer, I want to use program name, function name, method name. So in this case, we are going to using our own variable names, our own property names. Okay, in this case, we can use Python identifiers. But when you are going to using identifiers, and it is having a five rules, sir. The rules are very, very important. Especially, so these rules not applicable for predefined keywords. These rules are applicable for user-defined keywords, sir. In what situation? Suppose while writing the code, as a programmer, we are giving some property names are called class names, variable names, method names, package names, okay, functions names. So while using these names, while creating these names, okay, as a developer, we need to follow five rules. The first rule is I am displaying here, sir. Okay, as a identifier name, we can use a uppercase A to uppercase Z and small a to small z. And we can use numeric value from 0 to and a 9. Okay. And along with underscores, underscore first rule. While declaration of identifiers, user-defined variable name, we can use uppercase A to Z, small a to z, 0 to 1, and underscore. The second rule, sir. Second rule. Okay. Identifier name. don't start with digit. Digit means what? Numbers. Here, again identifier's name. Identity. Okay, fier's name. Okay, don't start with digit. Don't start with digit, sir. Don't start with digit. That's third rule, sir. Okay. Okay. Don't use means don't use keyword names. Keyword names means predefined keyword names don't use as a user defined identifier name, sir. The fourth rule and okay, don't use special characters. Don't use special characters. Characters. In identifier names, don't use special means and symbol, less than, greater than, plus. These are not allowed, sir. The fourth one is okay. The name is any length, sir. Okay, as a identifier name, we can use any length. Length means what? We can use a okay. We can India to ESC also like this. Suppose like this, we can use the variable name, but it is not a make a sense, my friend. Okay, the name is in readable format, like name, roll number, employee ID, employee name. Yes or no? And the simple interest area, like this you can use. Readable format, we can use it. Clear? Guys, up to here, please need your response. I'm coming with example, you will get more clarity. Lakshmi Garu, P, Padmaja, Nitish, please. Sir, need your response. Are you there? Need your response.
Yes.
So, again, I'm giving small. So these are the basic type ID prints, sir. Now I am coming with this input function. Output format, let's see. No, where is that? Yes. This is parts the first part. Identifiers, keywords, constant, little one by one will become. And here the first one is what identifiers are. An identifiers is a name given to the entities like class, functions, variables, etc. It helps to differentiate one entity to the another entity. The rules are first rule. Identifiers can be a combination of letters in lowercase a to z, uppercase up A to Z, or digit 0 to 9, or underscores are. An identifier cannot start with a digit. Keyword names cannot be used as identifier names. And we cannot use special symbol like at the rate, so less than, greater than. These things we are not going to using. An identifier can be any length cell. So these are the rules you must be remember. So while declaration of our user defined keyword names. Keyword names. Now I am going to showing you some example. You will get more clarity. Sir, some example I am telling you here. Example number one. See. Now tell me. Sir, roll number is a variable name. Here I given 120. Now tell me, sir, is valid declaration or invalid declaration? Guys, tell me. Now need your response now. Is valid or invalid?
It's valid.
Okay. The first rule, sir. Okay, while declaration of user-defined property name, we can use a combination of uppercase, combination of lowercase. We can use a number also along with underscore. So roll number I give it. Now what happened? Valid, sir. Next, I'm giving underscore roll number is equal to 120. Again, tell me, sir, is valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Okay. No, sir.
Cannot start with.
No, no. We can use it here. See,
Okay.
it is a combination of lowercase letter, uppercase, digit, and underscore, right?
Okay, it can start with underscore also, right? Okay.
Also, okay, valid one, sir. The next one, my underscore name is equal to I given the something called Tony, sir. Now tell me, is it valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid.
Sir, need your response. Thank you. The next one, sir, and okay, my okay, here first first name is equal to something Sai. Now tell me, is valid or invalid?
Valid.
Combination I given. So valid. The next, okay, roll number 123 is equal to 10. Now tell me, valid or invalid?
Valid.
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 Thank you. The next one, sir. You know, 123 roll number is equal to 20, sir. Now tell me, valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Invalid.
Super. Because of, okay, identifier name should not start with digit. Then use a invalid declaration. Invalid declaration. So don't start with number. But before you can use the string, later you can use the number. That one is valid. The next one, sir, if, look here, if is equal to 40 value, sir. Now tell me, is valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Reason is what, sir?
Invalid.
Keyword is used.
Super, sir. Okay, it is a invalid. Invalid. Okay, here I am giving the reason. Okay, the reason is what? A keyword name. Keyword name. Okay, don't use. Right? Suppose, look, sir. IF is equal to 50. Now tell me, valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Okay, it is valid one, madam. Reason is what? All the keyword names must be in lowercase word, right? But here I given I is uppercase, right? Guys, observe there. Okay, because of here uppercase I and lowercase I is both are different, sir. Okay, I is a case sensitive. Guys, are you there? Guys, are you understood what I'm telling
Yeah.
you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
So,
sir.
this is what different. Uppercase I and lowercase I is different. So it's valid declaration. Valid declaration. I'm coming, sir. The next variable means what? Keyword name. I'm giving one more. Suppose, I know, break. Break is equal to 90. Now tell me, valida, invalida?
Invalid.
Reason is
Invalid.
lowercase word. The next one. And next one, sir, you know, dollar symbol. Okay, my name is equal to I given the Yaqub, sir. Now tell me, is it valid or invalid?
Invalid due to special character.
Valid.
Yes,
Invalid.
invalid. Right? So these are the some condition you must be remember, sir. Clear? Guys, I hope you understand, right?
Yep.
And sir, I given some example with what we call with variable name, right? And tomorrow when you declare any class, suppose I am declaring the class. The class name don't use 1, 2, 3, person, sir. Like this, don't create. It is an invalid class name. Invalid class name. But we can use like this. Class person. It is a valid name. Sir, are you there? Need a response, please? Okay, it is a invalid class name. Invalid class name. But second one is a valid class name, sir. Valid class name. I am giving, sir, class, class, ampersand employee. Like this I given, sir. Even this is also invalid class name. Invalid class name. Here, understand, sir, 1, 2, 3 person, employee, we given, we given. So that, okay, while we are giving property name by developer, okay, that time these rules will be applicable. Then person 1, 2, 3, sir. Then it is a valid class name. Guys, are you understand? Please need your response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm having one question, sir. So
Yes.
here we have 1, 2, 3 roll number equal to 20, right? If I add some underscore in front of 1, 2, 3, so is that valid or still we consider it is an invalid?
Yes. Before you give an underscore, right?
Hmm.
Okay, good question, madam. I'm showing you what is happening. Okay, maximum valid one. Like this given, right?
Yes.
Are you getting any error? No. Because of underscore. After underscore is applicable here, right? Now print, I am printing this. Working or not? Working. But
Working.
one thing, madam, tomorrow. So before the variable, if we use underscore, Python treat is a private data members. Private data members. Okay, it is a oops concept. Private, public, and protected. So in Java, what we call these are the access modifiers. Access modifiers. Clear my point? But
Hmm.
in our rule, identifier can accept underscore. Am I right? That's why you can use it. Clear my point?
Yes, yes.
Suppose, sir, here I am giving, suppose 1, 2, 3, okay, x is equal to just I given the 40, sir. If you declare like this, automatically getting syntax error, yes or no? Invalid decimal literals. Clear? Not valida, invalida?
It's
Invalid.
invalid.
Suppose, x1, 2, 3 is equal to 90 I given. Valid declaration, sir. It can accept it. The next I'll show you. If is equal to something 70. Here, if is nothing but a keyword. So automatically syntax error. A rule. But I am giving if is equal to 80, I am giving. Because of this if and this if is different. Both are not same. Clear my point?
Yes, sir.
It is a valid declaration. Valid declaration. So should not start with digit. Should not use any keyword name. Okay, but okay, underscore one underscore 12 something number I given. It is valid one because of underscore is applicable. Clear? And after that also you can use underscore. Suppose my underscore name underscore like this I given is equal to something called REN. Valid one. Clear? We can use multiple underscore also applicable, but don't use multiple underscore. According to your requirement, we can use valid name. Clear my point? Need a response, sir.
Sir.
Mm. One question on this.
Yes.
So we are not using any semicolon after to denote the end of the command, right? Or is it invalid? Any
Valid one.
semicolon
In
we can
where
use
after
at the
REN,
end.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
So Python can support semicolon, not semicolon. Accepted, sir.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, okay.
Actually, in other programming language, every statement must end with semicolon, right?
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Python not mandatory. Even you can use it is accepted.
Okay, got it.
It is not a syntax error. Syntax error. But suppose if you go with Java or JavaScript, C and CPP, then every statement must be end with semicolon. The semicolon tell you, "Arey, after this one, there is no code. It is the end of the statement, right?
Yeah, yeah.
In Python, not required to use semicolon. Okay. Even you are going to using semicolon, very happy, but not required to use. Is it required? It is accepting now.
Yep.
So not
Understood.
required to use. Clear, please, up to Nitish, MJ, Lakshmi, please.
Yes, yes.
So, sir, this is the story about our today's session. Please, now I'll send you, I think I'll send you notes also today. Okay. I think they will create a group today, sir. I'll send you this complete notes. And tomorrow slowly we'll start our variable topics. And now we know, sir, what are the keywords and what are the identify, how to use the identifiers. And slowly we'll enter into our main track, sir. Means what are the variables, types of variables, and what is the data types, what is the operators, we'll see one by one. Clear my point? Guys,
Yep.
are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Any questions, please? You can ask me. I'll clarify you, sir.
The one which software handle to download till tomorrow, right?
Okay, now, okay, do one thing, sir. I'll explain that part. What you will do, sir. Okay, how to download? Okay, small thing. It's a small thing, sir. How to? Okay, download. Okay, download and install Python software. Will finish. Less than 5 minutes will take Python software. Sir, it's simple. What you will do? Simple steps, sir. Okay. First, okay, visit. No, this is the official website, python.org website. And there you can click on download. Download. Sir, Python. I think the current version is 3 point something there, 3 point X version. Okay, .exe file will be downloaded. Okay, out the size is also I think 28 max 28 MB, sir. That's it. 28 point some MB will become 28 MB. Okay, megabyte. After download, just double click on it, then do next. Automatically, Python software downloaded and installation also will be completed. Now I am going to showing you. Sir, please do today in your PC. Go to any search engine here, Google search engine. Just come to the search engine. Here you can type sir python.org website. Just hit enter button. And this is the Python official website, my friends. Please just click on it. Click on it. Okay, and is our home page. And here you can click on download. Observe here, sir. This is the Python 3.14, the current version. The current version. Just click on it. That's it. Your downloading will be started here. Look here.
Okay.
Okay, 28.5 MB, sir. Right? After complete download, please go to the download folder here. Download folder and just double click on it and do sir what I'm saying. Just double click on it. Please observe here. Double click on it and sir, once it will be displayed like this, and please click on this button, sir. Add Python executable path. Okay, once it will
Yeah.
become, please just click on it. And don't go to install. Better to go with customized installation, sir. Why I will
Mhm.
tell you. Suppose if you go with installation by default, the Python software taking this is the path. What is the path? In C drive, users, admin, app data, local programs, Python. Here is going to installing. But I don't want to install there, sir. I want to install in C drive directly within the C drive. Sir, for that.
Mhm.
So because of tomorrow we have so many uses. That's why I'm telling you. Okay, and after selected it, just click on customize installation. Please observe it. When you customize installation, just click on next, sir. And here Python by default showing this is the path. But what I will do, sir, please okay, just click on last, Python 314. Don't delete that one. And here you can delete, sir. Observe here. like this. Okay, this is what here I am going to directly in C drive I am going to installing, sir. Use this path, please. Use this path and do install and do next automatically installation will be completed. Guys, are you there? Need your response.
Yeah, understood.
So do one thing. If anyone share your screen, I will show you what you will do. Okay, just click on install. Automatically your software will be. It will take just few minutes, sir. After complete installation, and simply go to the this PC, and there you can check C drive, sir. Okay, like this folder will become. Here is the installation completed. And you guys install Python 3.1.3.1.4 version. Okay, I install in C drive, guys. Please. Okay, and if anyone share your screen, I will show you. Okay, multiple. Anyone, sir, share your screen, please. MJ, share your screen, please. You can download.
A second.
We can install in default folder also, but tomorrow, while adding new libraries, that time will get confusion. That's why better to install in C drive.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Tomorrow we are working with Django, working with Flask, working with Fast API, working with NumPy, working with Pandas. That time in these libraries we need to update it in your software. So better to install in C drive nearby.
Mm.
Download it, sir. Python.org you can type. Go to download. Click on download, sir. Just hold on download. Then click on that button, Python 3.14 directly.
Yep.
Mm. Again, go to downloader folder. Mm. Just right. And first select second checkbox, add python.exe path, and click on
Mm-hmm.
customize installation. Guys, observe everyone and do next, sir. Please wait my command. Do next. Uh, and you so remove from there, sir. Uh, keep Python 3. Remove that part. Mm. Up to no. Keep last one. అది
Okay.
ఉంచండి. అది remove చేయండి, please. Come back. Remove. Delete. No, just click backspace.
Okay.
Click backspace. Don't select it. Cancel.
1 second. Give me a second. Some trouble in the key.
Do cancel.
Like,
Close that.
yeah. Again here. See, complete
Delete.
till
Delete.
okay until
Not
Python.
completely.
Until Python, right? Okay.
Right. Delete it. Now
Okay.
you are installing in C drive, right?
Yeah. See.
Do install.
Okay.
That's it. It will take few seconds. So like this, you guys also do, everyone, please. Okay. And after complete installation, directly go to the search box. There you can type Python and
Mhm.
select the IDLE. Automatically, shell will be displayed. From there, you can start writing the code.
Okay, that is a default terminal, right?
Default terminal. But in real time, we can use PyCharm IDE, VS Code IDE. Okay,
Okay, yeah.
we'll see that one. So while developing our application, writing the program, that time we'll use that one.
Okay.
Then close it, complete it. Minimize once the window. Here you can type Python. In search box, you can there you can type Python. Second
Oh,
ID,
okay.
right? Just click on it.
This I can cancel it, right?
No. I think I already have a Python in your PC, right? So the
Uh,
last one you can select it. Ideally Python 3.1 down. Come
this
to
one, right? The below one.
this
Okay.
one.
Oh, okay.
Already you have a
It's an
Python.
older one. Oh, okay.
Yes. Now it is came right from here. Start
Yeah.
typing. Is a default IDE.
Hmm.
Name is equal to single quote, not semicolon, right? Single quote or double quote. Need to print name. Just
That in quotes, not in quotes,
not
right? I
required.
can
That
just.
is variable name.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Simple. Very basic, right?
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good. I will stop sharing.
Thank you. Lakshmi, Nitish, and Padmaja, you guys also do same thing, ma'am. Please, okay? If you get confusion tomorrow, share your screen. Ma'am, are you there? Need your
Sir.
response. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. We'll meet tomorrow in same time.
Okay. Thank you.